Hey folks, Adam here from 911 Studios. Today we're looking at my MINGER, M-I-N-G-E-R, LED lights. I ran them up the stairs. You can buy them in 16-foot or 32-foot packages. They're absolutely fantastic. Really light up a room with them, and they look cool as can be, and I have them all over the house. Absolutely love them for my studio apartment, and they're fantastic. So you're gonna pick some up. These things are the coolest things in sliced bread. I have a couple different sets. Again, you can pick them up in 32-foot or 16-foot or so. Thousands of different light combinations. They just look great. They are a great addition to any house, any studio. I keep the studio as my work studio separate from the house, and I have a little bit more fun with this one. So if you've got a college dorm, apartment, bar, something, man cave, kind of my man cave, I absolutely love them. They look great. And you're gonna wanna pick some up today. So MINGER makes a great quality product, easy to install. Do come with a remote control where you can pick out the lights and the sequencing patterns. I just have them on a rotation. They can even hear sound and tie into music, which is super awesome as well. So go ahead and order today. They look cool, they look fun. Very vibrant, and you know what? They're energy saving. They don't use up a lot of energy because LEDs are super, super duper efficient. So order yours today. You absolutely won't be disappointed. A little adhesive to go on your floors, your ceilings, wherever you think they will look coolest. Order today. You won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and adios, amigos.